This week on SailAway, doing laundry in a thunderstorm.
That one was right here.
Rivers get civilized.
Make you feel better. What are you hiding?
And a little bit of naked swimming.
Do you wanna sail away? I wanna sail away. Do you wanna sail away with me today? Do you wanna sail away?
Last week we showed you the other swimming pigs of the Bahamas on No Name Key in the Abacos. After which we made our way to anchor off of New Plymouth at Green Turtle Key and enjoyed a stormy sundowner and some fireworks.
It's raining. And all our clothes are out.
Storming.
And it's storming. I was about to go out and get the clothes off of the boat. But it like lightninged directly over us. And it's blowing so bad.
It's gotta be
Can you see it?
11:30 in times for sure.
All of our clothes are just like blowing in the wind.
Yeah.
And we can't do anything about it.
I think it's fine. I haven't seen anything fly off yet.
It's like 7 o'clock in the morning.
But they'll dry out again.
Yeah. I just don't want to lose all our clothes.
They're all soaking wet now, so they're heavy.
That one was right here.
Yikes.
Baby's still asleep.
Dog's not happy.
I have to pee, but I don't want to. Because there's lots of metal in the bathroom.
It's nice.
Okay, good. So I'm going to do that. Wish us luck.
Lauren survived peeing in a lightning storm, and we made our way to shore.
Need boat.
Clean.
Yeah, boat head stuff.
Yeah.
You don't need that.
Sitting on my backpack.
As it turned out, this was delivery day for all the merchants in New Plymouth. So we watched a little while as they all arrived by golf cart to haul back their goods.
I'm up alone traveling round the world.
Another town settled by British loyalists in the 1700s, New Plymouth is small and sleepy. Doesn't look like it's changed a whole lot.
Of walking away,
With lots of quaint shops and restaurants and pretty colonial architecture, it's a great place to find your chill for a few days.
And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them my stories. Yes, I really like someone to call me back next time I pass back.
I don't know how much it is in here, excuse me.
It says on the back, did it not?
Oh yeah, that's not bad.
17.
Yes.
Good.
That's all needed.
Stinky head stuff.
Around the globe, but when I'm down, I've got nowhere to go. The sun and the moon are my only friends, so I really need a home.
With a few necessities replenished, we hauled anchor and started making our way west to Spanish Key, where we'd fuel up for the rest of our journey toward West End.
You know that I would like you to be my home and take you everywhere I go. So if you come with me, I'll never
What kind of tasks being completed to
bring ourselves back into the fold of civilization.
Yeah, Mommy has to do it. You got half a haircut.
Make you feel better. This little kid tub has turned out to be one of the coolest things we've brought with us. Lauren's mom bought that for Rivers, but we've used it for a lot of things. Lauren has used it as a wash tub for washing all of our laundry, which we may or may not have lost some of in the storm last night. So far, I think the only thing we've confirmed is missing is a baby blanket. We have a ton of those, so that's not a big deal. Nothing else has struck us. So this is the beginning of our journey, more or less, home. My birthday is tomorrow.
Happy birthday!
Thank you. So I don't want to spend my birthday just like transiting. So we think we're going to make our way all the way up to Grand Keys, which is a little more remote, kind of out of the way. Hoping it's going to be sort of, I don't know, less touristy, less people, kind of stop. But it's going to take us until tomorrow morning, so we're probably going to stop. But we're doing like a little 2-hop to get there. Then from there, we'll go back down to West End. Probably stay there for the night and leave super early in the morning, I think is the plan. So yeah, Sunday or so we'll be back in the USA. Good trip so far. Alright, peace. See you at the next stop. You have to come back and get me.
Nope. You have to swim naked. Forever.
Thing's still moving pretty fast. Oh, it feels really good though.
Good.
Hiding.
What are you hiding from?
Because I wanted to jump in naked, but now they're closed.
They're pretty far away.
They're still close enough that they found them. Ruin all my plans.
Making our way back now, and we're in kind of a weird spot, sort of. Stopped at Spanish Key to fill up on water and fuel. Back at Spanish Key for some fuel and water. Waiting on the tanker truck out there to finish filling them up. Check out that placement. They were being filled up on fuel by a tanker when we showed up, and they said it would only be 30 minutes. Figuring we would get showers, let the baby swim in the pool a little bit while we waited for the fuel tank. So we filled up with water, went and did that. I checked in. She's like, probably about an hour. So we went and got a drink at the bar. Time passed some more. Went and talked to the office again. She's like, it should be no time at all, because they just got to get 100 more gallons, and then they've got to do a blowout, and then they've got to do another stick test, and then I don't know what she was talking about. And we're like, you know what? We really need to get moving, because our day is getting eaten up by this, and we've got to make it all the way, trying to make it all the way to West End by end of tomorrow. So we went ahead and left. We've got not much fuel, which it's really hard to gauge what that means. So I'm assuming it's 10 gallons. I think it's probably more than that. So to be really conservative, we'll say it's 10 left. Super light wind now. I was going to say we're motor sailing, but now our jib is doing that. So we're just cruising along at 2,000. We're still doing 5.2 knots, and better than that when we get a little wind help. So I think we're probably doing only half a gallon an hour. if that's the case, then we can go 20 hours at that rate. So we can probably make the whole thing if we just keep cruising, get to Great Sail tonight, which is like another 5-6 hours, so it'll be midnight when we get there. And get up in the morning kind of early, and head to West End, get there by late afternoon. If we can sail some, if the wind gives us some help, then we should be able to do it. We're not really the meal videoing type. We figure what we eat's not all that exciting, but this is kind of an unusual meal, so we thought we'd share. We just cruising along. We're gonna try and make it to Great Sail Key tonight. It's gonna take us probably till midnight or a little after. Just on a nice, long, slow course. We're running at about 2,000 RPM just so we don't burn too much fuel. No weather that we can see coming up on us anywhere. And so we're grilling some fish. Brought some fresh fish at the grocery. And we got jerk seasoning on that. We put in the bag with it. And then Lauren sauteed some zucchini and onion and squash with some Bahamian seasoning on it. We're just gonna have a nice little mobile dinner. Thought you might find that one interesting. I think it's gonna be pretty damn good. Well, stuff's getting pretty interesting here. We've got thunderstorms all around us. We're just making our way to Great Sail Key on the way out of the Bahamas. And we've been watching these storms sort of creep up on us. And the lightning's been pretty crazy. But we got all of our Dodger canvas up. We've got our raincoats out and ready. Baby's got his offshore vests on. It's really hot down below because we got all the hatches closed and everything. So we're just waiting for it to smack us. There's one right there. We're about to run right into it. About 3/4 of a mile. So there's lightning all around. It's super rolly. We did manage to dodge all the thunderstorms and safely anchor at Great Sail Key. Join us next week as I celebrate my birthday by trying to sever my own toe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give us a like and please subscribe for new videos every week.